Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Tuesday evening, 7:30 p.m. Let's just kind of talk about how this week so far has gone. Because Monday, obviously, was, I guess, the major anticipation that Biden was going to be signing the new infrastructure bill, which did happen. Fed was kind of, I guess, iffy at the beginning, but things did get better. So let's just kind of take a look at the stocks that I mentioned in the video I made on Sunday, mainly EVGO, Ford, ChargePoint, NEO, let's see, ChargePoint, EVGO, SPY. Those were like the main ones. So let's just take a quick look at those. So early on Monday, SPY opened up at 468. Monday kind of dropped off and stayed flat, ending at around 467. And today, being Tuesday, we hit 470 at one point. 470, almost 475. 470.5. It was like 470.44, which pretty good. Shows that SPY is hitting all-time highs yet again. If we look here over the past month, it's just going up. Beginning of November, it did hit 468, 469, I think. So we're basically at the all-time high level again. So pretty good stuff. After hours was kind of dropped off a little bit, but it stayed flat. I think tomorrow should be more of a green day. EVGO today just down. This thing just keeps going down and down, and I think the main reason it keeps going down, I guess it got a downgrade saying that the upside was priced in, which is interesting, considering the last month it basically went from $7 to $8 a share, peaked at let's see, almost $20 a share last week, and basically from $19 has fallen all the way down to $15, which is still, it's up $1.13 or 8% in the last week. It's up almost 100% in the last month. It's only up 40% in the past 6 months. So it basically hit $16 back in June, fell off, and then kind of spiked again all the way up to $19 here last week. So it's interesting, going all the way from 19 down here to 15.5. I was considering EVGO was going to be one of these major stocks that was going to get a little bit of attention from this infrastructure bill, but it seems that it isn't, so that's interesting. Now ChargePoint's been doing well. Over the last 5 days, it's up 8%, almost $2. After hours today, up 0.5% and up today 2%. Kind of started the day off rocky, opened up at 26.95, came all the way down to 25.5, and then slowly started making its way back up to 27.45, and then, like I said, after hours it's up another 14 cents, which is good. But it's interesting. I was really expecting EVGO to do the same thing that ChargePoint's doing, considering they're in the same, I guess you could say, sector of EV and mainly EV chargers. So it was really interesting. So yeah, ChargePoint's doing well though. And then we can talk about Lucid. Lucid was absolutely on fire today, and main reason, I guess, they were delivering a lot of cars over the weekend. As we can see, past 5 days, it's up 31.5% or 31.25%. In the last month, it's up 119%, all the way from lows of like 24.1. Now it's $55. Last week, this stock was $42, I think, at the lowest. And then today, like I said, yeah, last week I think $40 was the lowest, I guess. But today up $10.50, up 24%. After hours up another 5%. Lucid could potentially hit $60 tomorrow, which will be interesting to see. The momentum that it's been having today and yesterday is absolutely on fire. Even though it says they missed EPS by negative 60% and revenue by negative 81.5%, I don't think EPS or earnings really matters to Lucid as of right now, considering they only started production this year. They started rolling out these cars at the end of October, and they've been kicking butt, like showing these deliveries off on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. Everyone's been gaining attention on them. I think Lucid is just now, it's starting to get the attention that it needs. And On top of that, getting Motor Trend Car of the Year for 2021, which is absolutely insane, considering the Lucid Air is Lucid's very first production car, and they were able to get such an amazing award for their very first production car. Shows that they have such great potential for just the years to come. And yeah, same thing with NIO. NIO's only up 10 cents today. Last 5 days, it's only down 24 cents, so it's kind of been all over the place. Hitting lows of like $39, hitting highs of $43, and then kind of just doing this up and down, up and down. It's been interesting. I've been watching NIO, but same thing on this. I think I was expecting a little bit more from this, considering, I mean, I know NIO is basically based in China, mainly in Europe, but I think NIO does have the opportunity to come to the US. NIO could do potentially pretty well. And same thing with Ford. We did hit $20 last week, kind of sold off, and then picked up, almost hit 20 bucks again, almost hit 20 bucks again. Yesterday or this morning we were pretty close. We were only 10 cents off of hitting 20 bucks. But today only down 7 cents and down another 6 cents in after hours. So Ford isn't doing too much, but I think there was some sort of news. I heard that Ford is going to be manufacturing or trying to manufacture their own charging cables, which should charge the cars like in like super really fast times, which was interesting to see. But on the topic of Ford, let's talk about Rivian real quick, because this thing, I thought it was going to drop off, but it seems like ever since it IPO'd from $100, it's all the way up to $172 now, and it just keeps going up and up and up. So, like it says, CNN, Rivian has $0 in revenue and is now the third most valuable car maker on the planet, and they literally just IPO'd. So it'll be interesting to watch this. If it keeps going up, then that's going to be interesting. If it starts to fall off and sell off after these people have basically been in this trade for a week and they want to get their profits, who knows? Let's say you invested let's say you bought 6 shares at $100 or 111. Do that, and then let's see, add another, or should we do this? So 111. Do 111 plus 71. That would get you that times 6. So you'd basically be up $300 or $400 right now. So, which is pretty good. But it's interesting. Like I said, they have 0 revenue. I don't believe they have delivered any cars yet, because this Rivian truck is the main car that they have been producing, which I've been able to see one in person. It was pretty cool. I tried asking for pictures, and the guy that was there, he seemed kind of iffy. He was like, don't make sure I'm in the picture or something like that. But this is the Rivian R1T. Pretty impressive car though, or truck, I guess you could say, because the specs on it are pretty good, if I remember reading them correct. So if we go here, let's see, performance. Let's see, 20-inch wheels, 21, 20. No, I don't really want to know that. Quad motor, apparently 0 to 60 in 3 seconds for a truck. That's absolutely insane. And I don't know, it's a decent looking truck. You can't really go wrong. If it has side kind of storage areas like this, you don't have to worry about a gas tank. You have this front storage area, you have a back storage area here, you have the 4 doors, you have the back bed. It's basically gonna be a major competitor for Ford and GM as far as these trucks, and mainly for Ford, because Ford's new Lightning or the new F-150 and this are going to be big head-to-head competitors. So it'll be interesting to see what Rivian comes up to and what they do in the future. But like I said, just wanted to talk about how this week's kind of been going, what's been moving up and down, how my kind of basic predictions have gone and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a short one. Yeah, not really a short one, but it's like 10 minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Ain't nobody like me. Ain't nobody like me. Ain't nobody like me.